Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable the car wash mode on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your infotainment system. Let's swipe here until you see this car icon. So this car icon means settings. So let me just tap it. Now you've got access to list of all settings of your car. You can switch between different tabs and between different sections by using this top menu. Let's select here the vehicle. Then let's choose the first section, which is the driving, and here you can tap car wash mode. So basically here you've got information vehicle is prepared before driving into an automatic car wash mode. Maximum speed is 20 km/h. Let me tap active. As you can see, the car automatically close all windows, disable the rain sensor, and also disable rear window wipers. So that's it. If you would like to switch off the car wash mode, let's use the same button, and that's it. You can just use your car in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.